What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? I got something in from my favorite carrier, DHL. Double bladed bat knife on deck. So this is something new from LDARC, and this is the AK103. Plug and play. Let's open it up. We got a nice little case here. They have it taped shut. This is what the model looks like. So awesome little toothpick class from LDARC. They're hopping in the game right now. We have an XT30 on here. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's a little square piece of something on there or whatever. This thing has prop guards on it. And wow, check out these little motors here. This is definitely something different from LDARC. Check out these motors. These motors are barely anything. Wow, I'm very interested in how much these motors weigh, because it's hardly, the bell is hardly anything, hardly a bell at all. Just looks like a top there. And we have plug and play with the motors as well. So I think what I'm going to do is unplug these motors, or unplug at least one of them and drop it on the scale. And we're going to check out how light these motors are. Probably not in this video here. But we have these 65mm props on it, and they're from LDARC as well. They give us a battery, so check out the battery here. 300 milliamp hour, 3S. So this thing is a 3S flyer. Let's see if we can make out what kV these motors are. Sheesh. It looks like these motors are, man, I can't see. Let's see if we can zoom in. What the heck? It looks like they're 1101, 6100 kV. It says 11015 or whatever. I don't know. That can't be right. But anyhow, these things are very unique. These motors here. And this cam here looks like it might be an EOS 2. Not sure. I'll have it up on the screen if that's what it is. And what do we have up there? Flying past, that's the quality seal there. Remove that. So this is a hard plastic canopy. It looked like you can adjust the angle here on the camera. And this little battery compartment is removable. This does have FR Sky on it. And the receiver is an AC2000. Yes, an AC2000 on the receiver. Let me get us back on the wide angle there. So, looks like one single LED on the rear. So this thing is definitely going to be interesting. Really want to get this thing out and fly it right now. But I got to run off to work. But you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon. Definitely want to get this guy in the air. We're probably going to remove the prop guards here. And, oh, let's see what else is in the packaging here. I'm so intrigued with the way that thing looks and those motors there. So we have a prop removal tool there. We have, wow, it looks like 10 pairs each. Well, no, there's 10 pairs altogether of these 65mm LDARC props. I think this side here, these are probably the left and these are the rights here. Yep, that's how they do it. And what else do we have in here? D16 mode, non-EU, AC2000, RSSI included with this receiver. This is paperwork for the receiver, dual core, it says. So we're not going to open that. So no manual with this thing. Wait, is there? No, there's definitely not a manual. This whole thing is concerning the receiver there, but we do get a nice carrying case and we get a battery included. Okay, we're definitely not going anywhere without doing a weight on this guy here. Gotta check out the weight. Weight in grams for this thing. Looks like, let me see, something might be hanging off of it. Okay, there we go. Everything is on. It's coming in at 51.8 grams. That's with the prop guards and everything on it, the way it came. If you want to fly it that way. Let's take this little rubber strap off the battery from LDARC. This is a little nice rubber band here. Maybe we can use this to hold the battery. Possibly. But let's see. Let's throw this 3S pack on here. And we're coming in at 77.1 grams. Didn't want to leave you guys hanging like that, so I'm removing the screws. And I'm just going to sit the screws on the scale here. And these screws are super light, super small, little light screws. They're looking like they weigh virtually nothing. We got 44.6 grams. And with the battery, we have 69.9 grams. Getting 2.6 millimeters on the carbon fiber frame. The LDARC AK-103. Thanks for watching.